Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to reset Samsung Dishwasher DW80M2020US control panel reset and error clear. The Samsung DW80M2020US dishwasher may occasionally show error codes, freeze on a cycle, or stop responding to button inputs. So resetting the Samsung dishwasher DW80M2020US clears control panel glitches and error codes using simple power or button methods. First, the requirements. Power access, outlet or breaker, door properly latched, empty dishwasher for full resets. When should you reset the dishwasher? So resetting is useful when the control panel is not responding, or the dishwasher is stuck mid-cycle, or error codes appear after a power fluctuation, or the unit does not even start after selecting a cycle. A reset refreshes the control system and clears minor electronic errors without requiring any service support. Method 1. Control panel reset. First, press and hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds. Then wait until the dishwasher drains water, if it is running. Now the display turns off or resets. Now select a new wash cycle and press start. This method safely cancels the current cycle and resets the control board, fixing most unresponsive button issues. Method 2. Power reset. Step 1. Unplug the unit. First, unplug the unit or switch off breaker for 5 to 10 minutes to discharge electronics. Then restore power and test the cycle. Clears persistent faults like blinking lights. Step 2. Circuit breaker method. First, turn off the dishwasher from the home circuit breaker, then wait for exactly 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn the breaker on and then restart the dishwasher and select a cycle. Once the reset is complete, most minor errors disappear automatically, such as the temporary drainage errors, door sensor glitches, control panel freeze issues. The reset allows the dishwasher to recheck sensors and restart with default settings, preventing any false error alerts. Fix 3. Error clear steps. First, run a rinse cycle post reset if codes remain. Check the filter or drain hose. Note codes for manual lookup. Then button combos like delicate plus quick plus 3 second work for some variants. Disable the child lock first if buttons are unresponsive. Then test with short cycle, service if unresolved. Now what to do if reset does not work? If the issue still continues even after reset, check if the door is fully closed, inspect the water supply and drain hose, then turn off power and contact Samsung service support, as persistent errors usually indicate mechanical or sensor issues that require professional inspection. Next, some important safety tips. Never reset while hands are wet. Avoid any frequent resets in a short time. And always allow the dishwasher to finish draining before restarting. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.